Today we are going to discuss Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson, a US brand synonymous with the beautiful motorbikes, inspires many to own its customized bike with iconic engine. Today the brand is sought after not only in the United States but globally too. What explains its wide global acceptance and strong sense of brand loyalty among the Harley Davidson motorbike owners? So Harley Davidson, everybody knows that it is aspirational brand. It the motorcycles manufactured by the Harley Davidson are the aspirational. They are the most sought after, and people are crazy to uh, ride those bikes. And it is very big brand in two wheeler segment. Not only it is popular in US, it is popular worldwide globally. And their engine is their competitive advantage, is their USP, unique selling proposition, and nobody can prepare a iconic engine like Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson dealers, ranging from the CEO to the sales staff, maintain personalized relationship with the customer through face-to-face and social media contact. So Harley Davidson manager and their sales staff, they are in contact with the customers. They give more respect to the customers and they interact with the customers, give uh, proper information, proper service to the customers whenever asked. Knowing customers as individuals and conducting ongoing research to keep up with the changing expectation and experience help Harley Davidson to define its customer needs better. So once the motorcycle is sold, they don't leave it the customer as it is. They ask what are the more expectation the customer has from Harley Davidson. They update the information. They do lot of research. They do lot of brainstorming on the expectation feedback given by the customers, and they try to give best experience to the customers. Current customers have told Harley-Davidson's management to keep the identity, look, and sound of the motorcycle because they are unique. Globally, customers accept the US brand image as it stands. So people ask the Harley-Davidson uh, managers that you keep the old style, old look, old fashion of the Harley Davidson because it is unique and we don't want to change it. When customers' views are heard and accepted by the management, customers develop greater brand loyalty, and greater customer loyalty is developed for the Harley Davidson, creating an extraordinary customer experience that is unique and valuable. So whenever you see, when you see the Harley Davidson bike, when you see the Harley Davidson customers, you see they are very different from the regular type of customers because they have faith, they have trust. It is a cult brand, it is a luxury brand, it is status symbol brand, and there is a very much craze for the Harley Davidson. People customers are followers, customer are devotees, and customer like this brand too much. Buying a Harley allows owners to express their individualism and freedom, connect with the friends, and share a sense of comradeship through the activities of HOG, the company sponsor Harley owners group and riding club. So there are rich people, they might be feeling alone and they want some friends. So Harley Davidson is the mean by which they can come together, share, make friendships, and this Harley Davidson uh, keeps all the good people, rich people, and people who have passion for the motorcycle together. So they have clubs, they have groups, they they celebrate lot of things related to Harley Davidson. Owners of new Harley Davidson motorbikes enjoy free HOG membership in the first year. If renewed, members can enjoy various discounts and benefits. So when you purchase Harley Davidson, by default you will get membership of the club Harley owners group, and you can renew that after second year. Examples of the events and activities that are sponsored by the independent dealerships such as Harley-Davidson of Singapore can range from short rides and major destination rides to local charity events. HOG members are also invited to events such as new model launches and riders appreciation nights. So everywhere there are dealerships. So small dealer they can come together and can arrange small rides, small destination rides, and they can also organize some charity events. And the customers of the Harley Davidson are also invited when new model is launched because they are one family together. Dealers in each country support HOG members and foster positive bonding relationship among members and other dealers. So there is a huge bond, huge uh, liking between the members. In Singapore, for instance, a community of the friends rides Harley Davidson motorcycle with a passion. We ride, we have lots of fun, and we have been doing it since 1996 in Singapore. So these are the customers. They have a very good affection, very good fac- very good attraction to the Harley Davidson bikes. That's why they stay together, they enjoy together, they celebrate together, and they help each other. The ride and have fun is the motto that all HOG chapters around the world follow. Riders associate riding with other owners as a time of bonding that conveys the image of freedom and adventure. So Harley Davidson is a symbol of freedom and adventure. Harley Davidson keeps together the customers. Because of Harley Davidson, people come together, have fun, enjoy, celebrate, uh, uh, do lot of uh, creative activities, do lot of innovative activities. Membership in HOG has increased. Now, not only men but women, children, and families are a part of HOG's many and varied group outings and activities. So, this group earlier were only having men, but now female, children, all families can go together. Harley Davidson has developed a strong brand image, and consumer appreciate it even more by experiencing it firsthand. The desire to be associated with the Harley Davidson brand is strong because it is linked to an aspirational lifestyle. So Harley Davidson is an aspirational brand and a status symbol. People want to get associated with this symbol, this company, this organization, and they satisfied their uh, self-actualization need. And whenever a customer rides or get the first experience of Harley Davidson, he fall in love with Harley Davidson. He started getting he show his affection towards Harley Davidson. There are more than 2,000 HOG members in the Malaysia alone, with around 500 active riders. The Southeast Asia Harley Owners Group (SEAHOG) group organizes rallies and rides as all as charity events. So there are uh, groups for Harley Davidson in each and every country, and they do come up with the charity events. They would like to participate or conduct charity event. In late 2013, the two-day event followed by a 5-day riding tour attracted 800 owners to celebrate the 110th anniversary of the brand. Some HOG members around the world ride in rallies every Sunday, rain or shine, displaying a strong sense of loyalty to the Harley Davidson. So every Sunday, every holiday, every public holiday, they arrange some rallies, some rides, some kind of celebration, some kind of get together, and people used to uh, used to come there, have fun, celebrate, and enjoy the life. In Hong Kong, HOG members include professionals like doctors, lawyers, accountants, pilots, engineers, movie stars, and business executives. So among these members, people forget their profession also. People come together from various different professions and they become friends. Their participation shows the strong brand loyalty among the Harley Davidson owners and the strong desire to be engaged in HOG members' activities. Proactive in people development, Harley Davidson shares company values, philosophy, and brand experience with its staff and provides effective communication to its independent dealers. So because of this Harley Davidson events and this cult brand, people come together, people develop, people share their opinion, and there is synergy among the organization. Professional training by members of the Harley Davidson University in the US encourages consistent service at every dealership. Professional training by members of the Harley Davidson University in the US encourages consistent service at every dealership. So I think there is a Harley Davidson University, and they also provide training. They also provide professional training, and because of that, there are people who can able to provide good service to the Harley Davidson customers. Thus, Harley Davidson's employees around the world can be confident about the providing the genuine Harley Davidson experience. Satisfied employees deliver outstanding services that generates sustainable customer and brand loyalty, positive word of mouth, and ultimately higher company sales. So they have they Harley Davidson take care of their employees like anything. Their employees are satisfied. They provide lot of facilities, lot of welfare activities to their employee. These employees give very good service to the customer, and when customer is satisfied, customer is delighted. He speaks good, positive about the Harley Davidson brand, and because of that, good word of mouth publicity happens, and that brand grows further. And good word of mouth publicity is credible, trustworthy, and the best advertisement for the new customers. To remain competitive, Milwaukee-based Harley-Davidson has started to enlarge its customer base and successfully connect with the new younger riders by way of social media applications such as Facebook and Twitter. And now, with the use of Facebook and Twitter, WhatsApp, these customers or these groups, these members have come together more than before. Engaging relationships have been established with young adults who form a large part of its global followership. Engaging relationships have been established with young adults who form a large part of its global followership. So most of the customers are teenager, adult, and very young. Important feedback that Harley Davidson's strong brand name remains appealing to the younger audience is encouraging. So most of the target group is young generation. Harley Davidson also makes in-person connections with the potential riders at music festivals by using dynamo meters to create an interactive experience called Jumpstart, which allows novice or non-riders or opportunity to feel what is like to ride Harley Davidson. So Harley Davidson is also keeping eye on the prospects at the music events or such a festivals. They uh, they create interactive experience and attract the prospects or non-riders. In 2008, it became the leading manufacturer of the motorcycle to sell to customers younger than 34 years without changing the products too drastically or lowering its prices. So product has not been significantly changed, but still it is attracted by the young generation. So that is the best thing about the Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson merely modified some design elements for its dark custom series of the motorcycle, which consists largely of existing Harley Davidson motorcycles, but with a flat black paint, much less chrome, and toned down styling. So Harley Davidson has not changed much, but still it is liked by the young generation, new generation. It portrayed its heritage message of freedom, uniqueness, individual expression, and shared experience as recognized by the older customers. So Harley Davidson is a unique brand, and it's different from the other motorcycle because it is associated with the freedom, it is associated with the independence, it is associated with the uniqueness, it is associated with the status symbol, it is associated with the individual experience, it is associated with the sharing and taking care, and it is associated with the luxurious product. Now there are questions like what has Harley Davidson done with its HOG program to create an extraordinary customer experience that is unique and valuable to its members? Has the motorcycle manufacturer been successful? So this will discuss in detail in the next video, but here I would like to mention that they have created a group, they have created chapters in every country, in every city, where where customers can come together. They share their experience. They can chit chat, have fun. uh, they can they can arrange small rides. They can arrange charity events, and they would like to spend a very quality time with the community. Second, to enlarge its customer base, what would you recommend Harley Davidson do to cultivate long-term relationship with the younger audience aged below 18 to 34? So young generation like new models, so Harley Davidson should come up with the more product line, and Harley Davidson should take the survey to should take do the research on young generation, what they are what the expectation they have, and customized product Harley Davidson can provide to the a young generation, and whatever young generation required, like speed or the pickup or the look, external appearance, that can be provided to attract more younger generation. So this is all regarding